Hi, I hope you've got off to a great start in 2021. My name is Craig Nicholson with AIM Power Consulting, and in this series of short video clips, we're going to give you our tips for negotiating and renegotiating long-term service agreements for gas plants. And the first is plan and set a strategy. Long-term service agreements, by their very nature, are complicated, and it's incumbent to have a clear set of wants and needs prior to entering into a renegotiation or going out for public bid through a request for proposal process. Ensuring a clear strategy will help mitigate any hidden costs or risks that may be borne true throughout the contract, thus helping you maintain your plant in an economical manner. We'll be sharing more tips like this over the next coming weeks. Thank you.